Yeah, this is how it's been here in Nashua really all day. Snowing nonstop, the occasional big gust of wind. The roads are pretty slippery out here. Nashua police actually just stopped by to check on us. We're okay, obviously. They said they have not had to deal with any major accidents here in Nashua, and then they said knock on wood, because we have seen several people struggling in their cars, slipping and sliding in various areas. Over on Amherst Street near Holman Stadium, we saw an SUV pulling another car with tow straps on the side of the road. The man was trying to pull off the road just in front of his house when he got stuck. Luckily, a good Samaritan pulled over and helped get him out.
It took a little bit to, give it a bunch of gas and to just, sliding on my part, but I was able to get him out.
All right, that's a pretty nice Good Samaritan thing for you to do.
Hey, it's what we're all here for, right?
What did you think when he came by and helped you out and you saw he had the right equipment to get it done?
Yeah, I was like, yeah, well, he's a blessing.
Now, everyone was okay. The car was not damaged at all, and the man opted to park in the parking lot safely across the street. In Nashua, Jessica Moran, WMUR News 9.